Hello, hi, welcome back to English Gurukul. All of you have seen that I am holding the Times of Indian newspaper, and today's editorial part is what is written over there, my friend. Shot in the arm. So let's dive into this fact. What is written over there, and why am I making these videos? So first of all, let me clear. I am making this video because of some purpose, reason. The first statement is that the students who have been preparing for different competitive examination, sometimes they are having some problem reading comprehension, having some difficulties, they are getting some problem in comprehension. They could not understand the message which has written in this comprehension. They could not figure it out. How can they elaborate it? How can they understand it, recognize what is written over there? So whenever you read the editorial part, any newspaper you can take, whether you read the Times of India, the Tripura Times, the Hindu, whatever the newspaper you read, try to understand the comprehension, the passage. And unless you understand the passage, what is written inside this passage, so you could not, you are completely unable to write the answer of the question in the examination hall. Similarly, those who have been studying from class 1 to class 12, if you want to learn more and more words for your future, for your upcoming and forthcoming life, so this video can change your life, transform your life completely. So let's begin, my friend. What is written? Over 80 years, ever since mass production of penicillin began, antibiotics have saved more than 20 crore lives. It is written that for the last 80 years, that pharmaceutical industries have produced mass amount of production of penicillin have been started. For the last 80 years, it has been producing the penicillin. The penicillin has been producing for the last 80 years, and this medicine, this penicillin, has saved 20 crore people's lives. It is written, my friend. Now you might ask me the question, sir, what is penicillin? Penicillin is an antibiotic. Yes or no, my friend? Penicillin is an antibiotic, and which can destroy the bacterial infection. You know that Alexander Fleming has discovered this penicillin in 1928. He has discovered this penicillin, and this penicillin is also known as the antibiotic. And this antibiotic, previously, before penicillium, or before inventing or discovering penicillin, before inventing it, before discovering it, many people died by simple bacterial infection. If somebody has a simple bacterial infection, they died by these small or simple diseases. And after Alexander Fleming, when he invented or discovered this penicillin medicine, it completely revolutionized the medicine industry, and it has saved more than 20 crore people lives till now. Now it is written, my friend, thanks to them we live 23 years longer now on average. It is written that this penicillin or this antibiotic has increased the average lifespan of 23 years. Approximate value is written. 23 years lifespan has been increased by this antibiotic penicillin medicine. Next it is written, but overuse and abuse of these life-saving drugs have enabled some germs to resist them. It is written that sometimes what happened, do you know, we overuse this penicillin or the antibiotic. Sometimes we abuse this medicine, we have used it excessively and improperly, and because of using excessively and improperly, now what happened, some bacteria, the scientists had found some bacteria, some germs which can easily resist the antibacteria, which can easily increase or grow even in taking this medicine. Are you getting my point? It means some germs even become active. Let's say some people, after he or she has some problem, he has taken this antibacteria or antimicrobial resistance, yes, an antibacterial. When they have taken this medicine, some bacteria is there, also scientists have found some germs are there, still it can resist the medicine, still it can grow through this medicine. The resistance powers of these germs has increased even after taking this antibiotic. Are you getting my point? So it is written there. That's called AMR. AMR means antimicrobial resistance, and is a big problem. Nowadays it has become a big worldwide problem. AMR, antimicrobial resistance. Antimicrobial resistance means some microbes, the scientists have found some microbes, some germs which cannot be destroyed even after taking the medicine, antibiotic medicine. If a person take antibiotic medicine, after taking this medicine, he or she might feel problem. It means some bacteria or some germs, scientists have found that even they can easily resist it. The resistance power has become increased. The resistance power has increased. So that is the reason it is known as antimicrobial resistance, and it's a big problem nowadays. The worldwide it has become very big problem, big issue. AMR is estimated to have killed 12.8 lakh people globally in 2019. AMR means antimicrobial resistance, that has killed more than 12.7 lakh people in 2019. In 2019, 12.7 lakh people died because of this AMR. And it is written and could kill 1 crore by 2050. Even in the next 20 to 30 years, it can even kill 1 crore people. And it is written to prevent that we need more powerful antibiotics. If we want to prevent it, if you want to stop it, if you want to hinder these germs, so we need to make powerful antibiotics. And Zenic, a new drug made by Indian pharma firm Heart, is just that. And one medicine has been found by a pharmaceutical company. The name of this company is Heart, and the medicine which was produced, which was manufactured, the name of the medicine is Zenic, a new drug. And this is very powerful drug right now which is in the market, and it is very powerful antibiotic. And it has been produced, it has been created by the name of the company Heart, and the name of the medicine is Zenic. Zenic also rare moment in India's pharma story. This is the first USFDA approved NCE or new chemical entity. It is written that Zenic, one of the best drug, antibiotic drug, and it has been the medicine has been given approved by the US Food and Safety Industry. It has given the approved USFDA, means this medicine got the approval from US FDA fully designed, developed and commercialized by an Indian firm, and this medicine has been fully developed. It has been designed, this medicine Zenic, it has been developed by the pharmaceutical companies. It has been designed perfectly and also commercialized by the firm. An earlier Indian firm, Orchid Pharma, had invented enmetazobactam. Another firm, here it is talking another firm, another pharmaceutical firm, the name of this firm is Orchid Pharma, had invented another powerful antibiotics, and name is enmetazobactam, a powerful drug to fight AMR. It is also a powerful drug which can fight with AMR. AMR means what? Antimicrobial resistance. But it had outsourced human trial, and because in order to human trials, it has been outsourced. It means the project has been given to the another company, and it has been outsourced. Completely the project has been given to the other company for human trials. Now it is written, regardless, enmetazobactam also got US FDA approval in 2024. In 2024, this medicine also, name of the medicine is enmetazobactam, which has been created or which has been made by the Orchid Pharma, and this medicine also got the approval from where? From US FDA. Orchid required right over last October. That's two aces for India with potentially billions of dollars in revenue. Now these two medicines, one is enmetazobactam, another one is, my friend, the medicine is another is Zenic. These two are very powerful antibiotics which can fight with AMR. AMR means antimicrobial resistance, the bacteria which can easily resist the which can easily resist. Okay, and it can now this medicine Zenic and the enmetazobactam, it can easily destroy the germs or the any bacterial infectious disease. Okay, if someone has some disease, bacterial infection disease, they can completely cured by these two antibiotics. Now it is written, it can also make dollars. It is written the billions of dollars in revenue. It can create a lot of revenue. Oakhart estimates Zenic alone could earn up to 1.5 billion a year. It is written that Zenic, one drug, antibiotic drug, and which was founded by Oakhart, it can alone it can produce 1.5 billion a year. Within a year it can produce 1.5 billion in revenue. But my point, an excellent start, but what next? The good news is that Indian pharma firms sell several more NCs in the pipeline. Nowadays a lot of medicine is being produced under the pharmaceutical companies. It is written in the pipeline, while our generics makes headlines with exports and revenues. Nowadays the generic medicine, it is also exporting. The India is exporting the generic medicine, and also profits also has been made by exporting these medicine, generic medicine. There is a whole drawer of innovative products taking shape. Nowadays the pharmaceutical companies, they are they are producing a lot of innovative products, innovative medicine to cure the patients shortly. The patient can be cured within short period of time. In fact, it started in 2005. 2005 this project has been started, when India modified patent laws to cover product innovation in pharma rather than process innovation alone. Nowadays, the Indian government and the Indian pharmaceutical industry, they focus on where? They focus on the product innovation. They try to innovate the product, innovate the medicine, and the law also has been given in favor of them. Yes, you can make innovative products, innovative medicines. Next it is written, but is it fast enough? China, another generics giant, is now a leading pharma innovator. Nowadays, China is in the race of, they are the leading company. In China, the Chinese pharmaceutical companies, they are the leading. Okay, it is written like this, and they are the leading innovator. And a Goldman Sachs such report says 25% of the innovative drug candidates now originate in China. Okay, and 46% of NCs that entered human trials between January and June 24 were Chinese. That 50% product, the generic medicine, has been half of the medicine, generic medicine, which has been produced from China alone. Okay, can India do it with the admittedly scarcer resources? It is written that can India compete with China with very limited resources? In 1920, Indian scientist Upendranath Brahmachari, working by the light of kerosene lamp at night, invented urea stibamine. In 1920, another scientist whose name was Upendranath Brahmachari, he was working under the kerosene light, and he invented a urea stibamine, which raised the survival rate of Kala Azar patients from those who are infected the disease. The name of the disease is Kala Azar patients. Those who are the Kala Azar patients, they are they can survive. Okay, their survival rate has been increased. Now they can live. It means that 10 to 19%. Previously, before inventing this stibamine, urea stibamine, their survival rate was only 10%. The one Indian scientist has invented this urea stibamine. Now the patients who have been suffering the disease Kala Azar, they can now live. They can now cure themselves very easily. That means their survival rate has been increased 10 to 19%. Using this medicine, they can survive very easily. So the capability of Indian scientists is not in doubt. It means that we should not doubt on the Indian scientists. They are talented, they are really great, they have the exemplary personality. Regulatory aid like the 2005 amendment can help. A regulatory body, the law has been given that yes, nowadays the Indian pharmaceutical company, they can come up with nice innovation, they can make the nice product, and the Indian pharmaceutical company also doing it. The scientists are doing it. The Indian scientists are producing a very nice product, nice medicine for us. So that's enough. So that is the one editorial part is given today in the Times of India. Okay, that's I completely discussed it. So my friend, thanks for today. Have a good day. Wish you all the best. Bye bye. Tata. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.